Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. It's October in North Carolina and the state fair is going strong. This is an old state fair memory. I was a little boy. Well, they used to have stunt people, and for whatever reason, I want to say it was a woman, but I'm not sure, that hung from the bottom of a helicopter, and they would fly over the state fair and they'd hang, do stuff on a trapeze and stuff, and it just nauseated me because I could just see this person falling, and I hope they had a safety line. Who knows back in those days? But I hadn't seen this at State Fair in years and years. I don't like Daredevil stuff like that. It gets me nauseated. And now, don't get me wrong, I was an adrenaline junkie back when I was young. I skydived, scuba dived, and about every other stupid thing I could do. But for whatever reason, just looking at somebody else like that and the possibility of them getting hurt or falling in front of me and splattering, it just gives me the willies. But those days are long gone for me. If I can get up and go to the bathroom, that's a thrill for me. But hopefully, I guess people are still doing this and wing walking. I never saw any wing walkers at the fair, but did see the person on the trapeze up under the helicopter. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.